All right, welcome back to the channel, and this is the 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia Estrema, and we're going to take it on a night drive. So I'm going to take you a quick walk around the car. Nice DRLs and main headlights right there. Super nice to look at. Kind of hard to see the rims from this side, so I'll actually go around and show you. So yes, you can see them from here very well. That red at night looks just as good as it does in the daytime. Also, the Estrema badge, my head's in the way, the Estrema badge right there, carbon fiber right here as well, some nice LED taillights as well. It's just clean. This whole Alfa Romeo Giulia is so clean. Can't really see the diffuser there, but it is definitely there. But let's open the back door, show you what kind of space we're working with at nighttime. We got heated seats back here, of course, with some vents. Nice stuff. I'll hop in the front quick. Have a seat, and you can see we have some gloss carbon fiber there, as well as the really nice Alfa Romeo badging, which you can't go wrong with. I'll actually turn on the light in here so we can get a little bit of light going on. Very nice. So not a bad little steering wheel, column mounted paddle shifters, decent infotainment display, really nice setup here. It's just a comfortable ride at nighttime or in the daytime, but let's take this thing for a drive. Let's put it on the road. I'll talk a little bit about it, and then I'll let you enjoy the drive at night. Okay, so let's put this guy into drive, and let's take it on a night drive. So hopefully you'll be able to see, because it is quite dark around my area. Quite a bit of trees and not a lot of street lamps, but hopefully the infotainment and stuff will kind of shine through here as I go. I'm going to kind of leave that light on just for some effect for a little bit, and then of course I will turn it off and you can really get the full effect of the night drive. But yeah, so some general information about the Alfa Romeo. The purchase price is $68,900 Canadian, so it is on the expensive side of things, that is for sure. But it is a nice ride. You do get a lot of quality, I want to say. You get a lot of Italian inspired things, which I think is probably what's driving the price up quite a lot. It's all right on fuel economy. It could be better, obviously. I think if you're driving in eco mode more of the time, I'm usually in sport, so that's why it's probably a bit worse than you would hope. But the engine is a 2-liter direct injection turbocharged engine that gives us 280 horsepower, 306 pound-feet of torque, which is more than enough for what you need to get around town and not get in a whole bunch of trouble. Like, there obviously is the Alfa Romeo Quadrifoglio, the Giulia Quadrifoglio, that has a whole bunch more horsepower, Ferrari tuned engine, you know, the works. But that is a lot of power, and I don't feel like you can adequately use it on the streets, you know? So the nighttime, or not the nighttime, but the 2-liter perfectly does its job for getting groceries, and to be able to have fun in any kind of condition kind of does it really well. So it's hard to complain. It really is hard to complain about it. These column mounted paddle shifters are really fun to use. You can knock it over into manual mode. The shifting is quick and efficient. It's just awesome. I'll turn off this light now so you can get a better effect of the nighttime stuff. And yeah, I think I will, let you enjoy the rest of the drive here for a little bit. Then I'll pick it back up and we will do a little outro for this video. But make sure you like and subscribe if you like this type of more calm, relaxed stuff instead of the craziness that is the reviews. But the review and the living with this car should be out on the channel now, so go check that out. But if you don't want to, you can enjoy this rest of the drive with me right here. Okay, so I guess I will leave things there because I don't want to make it too long. I just kind of wanted to show you what it's like to witness the Alfa Romeo Giulia at night. And also, I just love driving these cars, so I'm looking for any excuse to do so, and filming a video could not be a better reason. So there you go. There you have it. That's the Alfa Romeo Giulia Estrema at nighttime. And yeah, like I said just a little bit ago, the full review and what it's like to live with this car every day for 1 week is on YouTube right now on my channel if you want to go check it out. There should also be a full review on the PRN Test Drive channel if you want to see me there as well. I have done a whole bunch of content for this Alfa Romeo car this week, so I hope you enjoy it. Worked very hard on it, and yeah, I absolutely loved every second. So thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you want me to do more of these nighttime driving videos. I don't mind doing them. Doesn't take a lot of effort to do them, and it's kind of relaxing, to be honest. So if you want to see more, I'm definitely willing to do more, but you have to let me know in the comments by liking, subscribing, and of course letting me know what you think. So with that being said, I will see you in the next car, maybe see you in the next night drive. Take care.